Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Digitek DHM 001 wired stereo headphones with mic. As we can see on the front of the package, we can see the Digitek branding right on the top with an image of the product in the middle. Over here, we can see the name of the product and we can see what it can be used for. It can be used for work. It can be used for work from home, e-learning, telecalling, video conferencing, and online classes. Underneath that, we can see the model number. Over here, we can see that it has a cable length of 1.2 meters. Underneath that, we have some illustrations like this one, which says that the microphone has 180 degrees of rotation. The microphone is of high quality and the headband is extendable. Here we can see the compatibility of the headphones with smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, and other multimedia devices that support 3.5 mm aux input. On the right hand side and on the left hand side of the package, we can see some information about the other products that Digitek manufactures. There's nothing to see on the top or bottom, and on the back of the package is where most of the key specifications lie. The model number, which we have already mentioned earlier, the size of the drivers, which are 40 mm, the headphone sensitivity is 110 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 5 decibels. Its microphone sensitivity is minus 45 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. It has a mic impedance of 2.2 ohms, headphone impedance of 32 ohms, a speaker output of 3 mV. The type of headphones is the on-ear type. Connectivity options include just wired. The wire length is mentioned once again. And here are the dimensions, which are 16 by 17.5 by 6.5 centimeters. Here we can see three more key features, which are stereo sound, ultra comfortable fit, and adjustable microphone. Underneath that, on the left hand side, we have some importing and manufacturing details with some customer care details right underneath that. Over here, we can see that we have the black and blue variant. On the right, we have 4 QR codes that lead to the social media handles of the brand and the website of the brand. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Here we have a Y splitter that comes with these headphones, basically to separate the audio in and audio out. This can be used with full-size PCs, and it has a 3.5 mm female end which goes into the main headphone 3.5 mm jack. Getting to the headphones themselves, we can see that it is built mainly out of plastic. Even the inside of the headband is made from plastic. We can see some Digitek branding on the right above the ear cups, and we can see that it is the on-ear type of headphone. The microphone has a 180 degree rotation, as we can demonstrate right here. And the microphone is also adjustable for the most comfortable experience. It has soft cushions on the ear pads and it has blue accent highlights around the ear cups and around the microphone. Getting to the cable, it is a round cable and that should hopefully keep it from tangling, and it is approximately 1.2 meters in length as the box says. To start using the headphones, all you need is a compatible device which has a 3.5 mm input, and all you need to do is connect it to it, and then you can listen to all of your favorite tunes. So this has been the unboxing of the Digitek DHM 001 wired stereo headphones with microphone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.